That batter is 89 cents. Move her up to $1,000. Now, I want to have a little talk with you.
Okay.
You have $1,000. You can take that and quit. If you want to, it's yours.
No.
But if you go on and you try to pick the product, there's only one left now that's less than $1.45. If you try to pick that and fail, you don't win $10,000.
You lose it all.
And you lose your $1,000. Now, what do you want to do? You want to go on or do you want to stop?
No, I want to go on.
Okay. Now, you have the soy sauce. What?
I said I came with nothing.
Yeah, I've had a lot of them walk out with nothing, too,
Yeah.
with the same attitude. Now, you have the soy sauce, you have the mouthwash, and you have the nail care. Now, which one do you believe is less than $1.45 for $10,000?
Soy sauce.
She says the soy sauce. The reaction of the audience is very positive, yes. Now, if that is less than $1.45, you win $10,000. Are you ready? All right. How much is the most you've ever won? How much is the most you've ever won?
9,000
You have won nine? How did you win $9,000?
on a Keno ticket in Tahoe.
You did?
Uh-huh.
Well, this could be your all-time top win. It is 97. And you Here, let me just open these up. I want to. That's $1.69, $3.99. You know, one thing. Just 1 second. Did you see that? The way she got me from the back, you'd make a wonderful mugger. You know that? But during that commercial, just after the commercial, I was talking with the lady. You're not from Samoa, are you? No, you're
No, I'm
well,
not.
you're $10,000 richer, and I'm very happy. And I'm happy to say we'll play another pricing game after these words.